Hello, I'm Walter Wendler, president of West Texas A&M University, and I want to say a few words about moral purpose in higher education. American higher education was once anchored in a shared moral vision shaped by Judeo-Christian principles, what we would normally call Western principles, that affirmed human dignity and linked freedom to responsibility. Over the past century, however, this foundation has steadily eroded. Universities have mastered the production of knowledge, yet too often at the expense of cultivating wisdom, character, and a coherent sense of purpose. Reintroducing Judeo-Christian ideals, not as a sectarian doctrine, but as the moral heritage of Western liberty, offers a path toward restoring the public trust in universities. America's founders understood that liberty without virtue collapses into license, and that democracy without moral formation disintegrates into disorder. Higher education must once again affirm that truth exists, that freedom carries moral obligations, and that learning should serve both neighbor and nation. When universities unite intellect with character, they fulfill their civic mission, strengthen the fabric of the republic, and renew their calling as communities devoted to truth and ordered liberty. Such a high calling. Thank you, and as always, on Buffaloes.